Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. This is a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery charger, and it runs off the mains via a 2-pin from 100 to 240 volts. What we're going to do is we're going to add on a USB cable so we can charge it from a USB port. We happen to have a USB cable here, which we had been using for something else, but it's no longer necessary. So what we've done is we've cut the end off the other side, and there's 4 wires come out. There's a red, a black, a green and a white. We don't need the green and white, we just need the red and black for positive and negative. Next thing you do now is we'd open up the back, and as you can see there's a little Phillips screw here, and most likely there's more under here. So we'll just open up with a screwdriver, just peel back the little cover or the little tag, and there we have 2 more. Lift off the little bottom plate, just put it over to one side. Remove the little 2-pin, that'll go back in later, and there you have your circuit board. Now lift the little circuit board up gently and turn it over, and you'll see where the little negative plate is here. Connecting to that is a little blue wire. Follow that around and you'll see where it's soldered onto the board. So that's your negative connection. For the positive, this is your positive plate just here. Again, follow that around and you'll see where it's soldered on, and that's your positive plate. So what we'll do then is we will connect the USB to that. Putting that to one side, this is your plate here. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to make a hole in the back cover, the thickness of the insulation on the USB. Being plastic, be careful, so just make a small little pilot hole. I'm using a small little screwdriver, so just punch a little hole through there gently by twisting the screwdriver, and then open up the hole with slightly larger screwdrivers, generally Phillips, until you get the hole that you want. Now I've done the hole earlier, so it's just the right size for the cable. What we do then is we'll feed the cable in and pull it through. Pull it through as much as you need to, so we have plenty to work with. And with the circuit board, just fit that gently into place, back where it should sit. And with the cable, it's tinned out with a little bit of solder, and your soldering iron heated up. All you need to do then is just gently touch the cable and soldering iron to the solder, and it'll connect. And that's the negative done. So what we do then is we'll just fold over for the positive, and the same again, just gently touch it, and there we have a connection. Just give a gentle tug to make sure that they're both secure, and all looks good. So now we'll put the cover back on. Just pull it back down. And not forgetting to put the 2-pin back in. So we'll just feed that through and pull it up. Then we'll just slide everything back into place, and it should just gently clip together. Once that's on, then just screw it back into place and we'll test it. Next we'll connect it to a USB. So I just happen to have one here and a little tester here to show you that there's voltage coming through. So it's showing 5.19 volts, and we'll connect in the little USB here, charger. Little light comes on to show that there is power coming through. So again, what I'll do is I'll just put a little tester here on it, and you should be able to see that there. We're not reading any volts there, so we'll just put it on the plate here and put it to here, and it's showing 5.15 volts. So that should be enough to charge your lithium-ion battery. So thanks for watching, and if you like this, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Blogger.